Hello and welcome to this course on Fiverr. In this course, I'm gonna cover how to make money on Fiverr, and basically, I'm gonna show you ways that are out of the box on how to make money on Fiverr. Now, if you're not familiar with Fiverr or this is your first time hearing about Fiverr, their website is five and then rr.com, and this is basically a site where you can buy and sell almost any type of service you can imagine. So I'm here on the home page of Fiverr, and just looking at the top menu, there's different subcategories for graphics and design. So if you want a logo design for your business, you get one design for $5. So that's why this site is called Fiverr, is because you could buy and sell services for $5. Now, if you are a seller, unfortunately, you don't really get paid $5. You get paid $5 minus a dollar, which goes to Fiverr, and then minus any PayPal fees. Okay, but in this course, I'm going to show you how to make more than $5 per order. But just going back to the types of services offered here, as you can see, there's online marketing services. So if you want to market your business, get some traffic going, you could buy traffic for as little as $5 here. If you want to get something written for an ebook or articles, or if you need a resume done, let's see, videos, you get high quality videos done for $5. Music and audio, programming, advertising, business, and more. And so, if you need a testimonial, a video testimonial for a product, you get one done here. So we're just looking at the home page here. Let's just see what's trending. Mother's Day is fast approaching, so there's services related to that being advertised here. You could get vocals here. Let's just see here. Create unique ads. And there's future gigs. And as you can see, here's a customer testimonial video that someone will shoot for you, or cartoon illustration. Okay, and let's just look at a listing just for as an example here. Hire the best vocal. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so let's just look for an example. It doesn't really have to be business related. Let's see here. I will write and sing an original song for you. Um, I'll create your lyrics and rap. Okay, let's just choose that. And as you can see, here it shows 5 days on average, how long it takes for his service to be completed for you. And there's 4 orders in the queue. He's got over 398 reviews. And here's some info about the gig. Okay, and as you can see here, there's some gig extras. Um, so basically, here is where you can get more than $5 per order. As you can see, here it says check out my gig extras. So if you want extra fast delivery, 4 days, that's an extra $5. What was his original delivery time? 5 days. Okay, um, and $10 extra for other services, and then here it says his highest fee here is $20 if you want to create your lyrics and collaborate with 3 other Fiverr artists. Now, I believe you can charge as much as an extra $100 or more on that. So I'll cover that in another video for basically adding gig extras to your order. Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to introduce you to Fiverr, show you, example listing, and I've also shown in this video that although the orders are for $5, you can get more than $5 per order. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video.